Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to update NVIDIA drivers in Windows 11. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, we have to go to the Google Chrome. Now go over here. If you don't have the app, just go over here, search for NVIDIA app download, go over here. Now find the NVIDIA. Now go to this official site, click on the download NVIDIA app for games and creators. Now just wait here. Now from here, you have to download. This is the official site of NVIDIA. Now from here, click on download now. And from here, we have to just wait for this to get completely done and wait for the download. Now click on this one. Now we have to run the app. Just double click on this one. So the app will be running. Go for yes. Now as you can see, the NVIDIA app is successfully installing. Just wait for a bit of time so that will be completely done.
Logis.
Now go to agree and continue. Just wait for a bit of time. As you can see, it is installing. Now select which one is your driver. If you are having the game ready driver, you can go for this one. If you are for the studio drivers for the creators, you can go for this one. But I usually used to play a lot of games, so I'm going for this one. Go for the next. Now make sure that you turn this off. Go for the next. Keep enable overlay turned on. Go for next. And you can skip to app. Now this is the NVIDIA app. Now go over here and click on the drivers. Now as you can see, you have to click on select the driver in which, if you are game ready driver, select this one and go for download now. Once you download and install, you have to check, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.